Hi guys. Stop the share. Vanjula, you can join the quiz using your phone. That's fine. You can join the quiz using your phone, and if your laptop has at least a little speed connection, then you can try the hosting. Okay, so guys, as usual, for one last time, maybe this is your last time. Some of you, this will be your last time opening exam. Open exam. Why? Today is the last day, man. Open exam. Run your two modules, Apache and MySQL. Then open your folder, your code folder in VS Code. Let me share my screen. Okay. What class? What do you mean? Apache, yeah. Apache, anything. It's fine. Nice. Okay, so open your web dev folder and go to the main login page. Try logging in with your credentials. Just try to log in. Why is it showing this error? Okay. So I hope you will have your home PHP like this. Your shop PHP not like this, but I told you all to make some modifications. Um, Wait, let me check if I have that file. Wait. Makala than that. May what bit in Dena. I told you all if possible to add a footer. I told you all to try implementing dark mode. I told you all to change the error color messages if possible. I told you all to use PHP to make your things short. Nice Rehab. Rehab has completed all assignments. Very nice of you. And I told you all to use PHP MySQL to fetch the data dynamically, improve your homepage design, add a fav icon, search products. So I told you all to do these things last week. Not It's not a hurry that you all have to do it before today's class, but I hope you all have at least a home page, a shop page, and a logout button. If you all have these three main components working properly, raise your hands in the participants list. Let me check. If you all have your home, shop, and logout. One guy is missing today. Who is that one? Oh, here. Okay, all of you have done. Okay, all of you have got this page. So let's go to hosting. So first of all, I want you all to open a new tab and search Google for award space. Search Google for awards space. Search Google for award space. Then you'll be getting a page like this, a similar page like this. Then once on this page, give me a second. Okay. Once you're on this page, you will be having here something called awardspace.com home. Free hosting and user login. Click on user login. This website is kind of slow. It will take some time for all to load. And in this page, you'll have a thing called register. Click on register. And in case if you're finding any issues with getting the link and stuff, I'll send the link for all in the Zoom chat. Just give me a second, till it load. Okay, this is the link. I've sent you all the link in the chat box. Right. Okay, I have sent you all the link in the chat box. I want you all to click on Google here, then choose one of your Google accounts and sign in. Once you signed up successfully, once you registered successfully, you will be getting a page like this. If you get a page like this, hondara balanna, if you get a page like this with a similar domain, with a similar URL called cp1 space awards.net, then welcome pop up. If you have a message like that, you can raise your hand to the participants list. I'll give you all maybe. Wait, this doesn't have apps. This Zoom. What disable? Disable what? Like I'll give you all 3 minutes for that. Start. And if all of you all are done, then I'll be moving to the next part. Yeah, yeah. No, it was not there anymore. I had to show the meeting and do it. ESET, be specific. What are you meaning? What's ESET? And if I have not checked your messages yet, just give me some time. Marshall, I think you have installed an antivirus software from somewhere. Just simply go and disable it. I don't think you need to disable the antivirus software to register to this simple website. If so, just click on disable, it will be somewhere there. So if I haven't checked your WhatsApp messages, give me some time, I'll make sure to check it. Actually, I was checking your messages a while ago. Last 1 hour, I was checking all of my messages. I just have a few remaining. Okay, just, I think Manjita is on her phone and she won't be able to do this. So I'm waiting for Marshall and to tether. Marshall, are you done? If you're facing some issues with ESET, there's a threat, then just click on disable it. Disable. This is not a threat. Time's up. Okay, this is easy now. Okay, now click on the close message. Click on the close message, and then it will ask you all to provide a. Yes, we have. This will ask you all to provide a new password. Then in this column, you all can enter any password which you all like, and click on change password. Okay, and you will be getting a message called the password has changed successfully. And after that, you'll be getting a page like this. Click on close, and then if you're in a page, just scroll down. After you get this message, just scroll down and check if you have something like this. If you have something like this, again, raise your hands in the participants list. This is, I'll send you the link. Wait, it's up. Scroll up. Okay, it's here. I'll send you the link in the chat box. Make sure to quickly register. Click on sign up with Google or something and register quickly. Okay. Once you get a screen like this, again, raise your hands. Okay, Abdul Majid, I think you're new to the class. Last day, I bang, why did you come last day? It's fine. We're on a host some website, and if you want to get a hosting experience, just wrong name. Then who are you? Then Master, it should ask you a thing to change password. Then enter some password and change the password, and then you'll be getting a screen like this. Abdul Rahman, I can remember it. It's okay. Okay, then once you're on this page, then you'll be finding a button here called File Manager. Right click on the button called File Manager and open link in new tab. Okay, then it will load a page like this for you. Okay, so once you right click on Open File Manager and click on Open Link in new tab, then you will be getting a page like this. Now go back here and you'll be finding a button called Domain Manager. Again, right click on this and click on Open Link in new tab. And then you will be here in a page called Register Domain, Transfer Domain, and Host a Domain. In this section, I want to click on Create a Free Subdomain, and then there will be a list of main domain names which you can choose. I'll just keep my one as atwebpages.com and just create a subdomain. Let's say your website is something called quick shopping, then you can just keep it as quick shopping. Or let's say express shopping, you can keep it as express shopping. Something like something you like, you can just name it. I'll just call it. Let me check if this is there. No, web dev LWA. I'll just keep my watermark also. Okay, LWA web dev create. Uh, Okay, wait, it's not letting me. LWA NXT. LWA NXT. Okay, I just created my subdomain called lwanxt.atwebpages.com. I'll lower your hands again. Once you create a subdomain like this, click on Open Website. It will show your subdomain here. Click on Open Website, and if you're getting a page like this, again raise your hands in the participants list. I'll give you all 2 minutes, I think. I'll give you all 2 minutes. Give me a second, I'll repeat all the steps. My camera went boom. My tab is stuck. I had to close my tabs. Just give me a moment. Can you all see my video? Or is it showing some green screen? Green, wait. Is this? I got a call. Maybe the call got forwarded. Okay, okay now. Okay, so some of you had asked me to repeat the steps again. Let me tell it you all again. Once you change the password, you'll be getting a page like this. Okay, go here, right click on open domain, right click on domain manager and click on open link in new tab. Then you will be getting a page like this. On in here, click on create free subdomain and enter some subdomain which you like. For example, I created something called LWANXT. And once you're done with that, click on create and you'll be getting a subdomain. And once you click on create, you will be seeing your domain here. Once you see that, click on open website. Click on open website, then you will be getting a page like this. I told you all to raise your hands after you see this page. Okay, this bug is only causing time. Let me close my other tabs. Okay, what about Abdul Majid and Marshall? Marshall, wait, let me check here. That means Marshall, you are entering some value name which is not allowed. Try some other name, it will work. If you're getting an error called an error occurred while adding subdomain, that means your name has some susness. Your name looks sussy. Okay, wait, I'll resume the timer. 25 seconds more. Rehab, are you done? That's not, I told you, Marshall, that's not allowed. It's Apple is a company which is officially, see, I'll go to apple.com. Let me show it to you all. It's not an advertisement. I'm just showing because when taking things from the internet, let's say you're going here and you're copying this text called iPhone 16, hello Apple Indians. That is fine. Time's up. Okay. That is fine. That's completely fine. If you're just doing some advertisement for them, it's fine. Let's say you're opening a store and you're adding some photos of Apple watches and you have the stock to sell Apple watch, then it's okay. It's fine because you're reselling Apple's products. It's okay. But if you go here, you can see copyright 2024 Apple Incorporation, all rights reserved. That go and read these privacy policy terms, conditions, legal and everything. You can see this that the Apple logo over here on the fabric, and I have an Apple logo. I have an Apple logo in the Navba. These all are copyright content of Apple. If you just copy them, then get ready to count the bars. Okay. Apple is also their name. Apple කියන්නේ ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ නම. You can't replicate it. Okay, so as most of you all are done, let's move to the next part. And then once you're done with that, next you can right click on File Manager, click on Open in new tab, and then you'll be having a page like this. In this page, you will have the folder which you create the subdomain for. For example, I created my subdomain called lwanext.atwebpages.com. So I have Marshall. Okay, that's fine. Then double click on this folder and open this folder. And once you're in this folder, then I want you to do a multitasking work. I'll just minimize this window a bit and I'll actually open my web dev folder. I'll go to example, I'll click on Explorer. I'll go to my htdocs folder. I'll go to my htdocs. Is this stuff like that? Okay, I'll go to web dev and I'll open it in side by side mode. Wait, no, I'll do it in another way. Okay, so now this will be your web dev folder. This will currently be your web dev folder. If you have added some other elements, then it will be different, but this will be your main web dev folder. Once on this folder, you can see that in the main directory, you have some folders and you have some files. Do you all know the difference between folders and files? Then if you know the difference between folders and files, drop me a Y in the chat box. If you know the difference between folders, we have nice. Okay. Okay, most of you all know the difference between files and folders. So now you can see that I have 5 files here. Select all the 5 files, drag them and drop it inside the workspace thing. Oh, wait, it has only uploaded my home PHP and index PHP. Again, I'll go back here. I'll select my logout, register and shop. I'll drag and I'll drop them here. Now it has uploaded my logout and register. So my shop page is remaining. I'll drag my shop.php and I'll paste it here. So now you all can see my files are uploaded. My files over here are uploaded in about space. Amil, I'm doing good. Thank you. And next, you know that we have two folders here, DBH and includes. So to create a folder, I'll go here and I'll click on create. I'll click on create directory, and I'll give here the exact same spellings. Some of you are very bad spellings. Some of you are very bad in spelling stuff. Most of the errors which you all send me in WhatsApp are spelling errors. Damn simple spelling errors. So make sure you type the exact same spellings here. DBH, all simple. Okay, DBH, create. Okay. Nasma, it's like this. You have to drag your files. Let's say you have your files here. Drag them first and paste it in your about space web page. Then once you're done with that, click on create a directory called DBH, and now open the DBH folder. Inside the DBH folder again, open the DBH folder from your file explorer. Select the 3 files and paste it in about space. Then you can see it only uploads 2 at a time. So now we have DB data and register user. So the balance thing is user login.php. I'll select this and I'll paste it here. So now you can see the 3 files which are in my file explorer are also there in this thing. So to go back, I'll click on this thing with the arrow. I think that's the one. Okay, so I'll click on that. Then once I'm done with that, I'll again click on create directory. And this time you all tell me what should my folder's name be. Give me the answer in the chat box. Okay. So your folder's name should be correct. Your folder's name should be includes. This time it should be includes. And click on create. Once you're done with that, again open the includes folder and open includes in your file explorer too. And select the three files which you have here. Drag and drop it in a workspace. Then go back and you have your header to be uploaded. Click on header and upload. And you have your three files here and three files here. Okay, then once you're done, check whether you have three here and three here. And make sure you also check all of your files are uploaded. I know this is a bit of hard work for some of y'all, but it's not hard at all. There's another way of doing it. Usually in my hosting, I just upload a zip and unzip it, but in this, it doesn't allow it. So that's why you have to do it manually. I'll give you all 3 minutes of time. Once you're done with uploading all of your files, then you can raise your hands to the participants list. In meantime, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the chat box. Yes, Samil, you're right. Click the no. Oh, yeah. Just click on upload and drag and drop. Okay, that's nice. I thought you were trying to upload the zip. Zip upload doesn't work. Actually, in my server, I actually upload a zip and unzip it. Actually, I could have done it using my server, but it will take you 72 hours or something for the domain name DNS propagation. It will take time and it is complex for some of you all. That's why I didn't choose that thing. The two of you are done. Yeah, yeah. Upload everything we have. If you have done the assignment and if you have more files, if you have images and everything, upload everything. And after you're done with that, I'll be uploading your projects to a thing called Showcase. Okay, Anjita. And for the guys who are doing the recording, watch properly and do. And if you miss any steps, you can ask me in WhatsApp. Don't worry. And for the guys who are watching the send me a screenshot of it. Just you can edit. You double click on, let's say I have my index.php here. I have my index.php here. If I double click on it, then say again, I can edit it. But there's another way of editing. In real-time projects, you all don't edit. You all don't go to your file manager and you all don't double click and edit it. You'll actually do something called SFTP. There's something like SFTP, FTP. You all connect it. For example, should I show it to you all? You all need to see how to do, how to, how it works, not how to do that. I don't have time to show it to you all now. How it works, if you want to see, I can tell after the project. Okay, okay, I'll show it. That means you're dragging it and that means Hashin, you're dragging it and dropping it out of the 80 web pages thing. That means you're dragging and dropping it somewhere here. Make sure you drop it inside this thing, this first two list. Drop it there, it will work. Or click on the button called upload here, and then you can choose your files like this. That's also completely fine. No, Amil, I'm actually after my classes. From morning I had classes. Oh, nice. So, okay, Nasma and Rehab have to do that. Others are done. So till then, I'll show you all how that thing works. Wait, can I show it to you all? La, it's okay, it's okay, fine. Let's show you my subdomain. Just click on about, search for about space, dot about space, and go to aboutspace.com again, log in and do the things. And you have a history in Chrome, man. Are you turning off your history? Let's go and check your history, it will be there. Okay, let me show it to you all a small thing. I know Unis. I'm Mohammed. Yeah, Mohammed. Okay. So can you all see this is one of my front page codes in code.learnwithAmmar.com. You can see if I go to code.learnwithammar.com, you all can see this is my page here. Okay. Let me change this AMMAAR to single A and let me show it to you all. This. Let me change it to a single A and let me save it. Wait, this bandwidth won't save it. Okay, it's working. If I refresh the page, you all can see it has changed to one A. Or let me completely remove that part. Let me completely remove that part from the thing. I'll save it. If I refresh, you all can see that thing is disappeared. I just keep my things as it was previously. That's how you do editing in VS Code. Understood? Yes, actually, you all can find it. If you are one of my Instagram followers in the last 3 or 4 months, then you would have found what I invented or something. I'm not going to tell you, I'll go and find. I'm going to keep my life private. Okay. So most of you all have done with that and we have wasted a lot of time. Next, in your main about space cPanel page, nice. In your next cPanel page, go to Database Manager. Here you will find an option called Database Manager. Right click on it and click on Open Link in New tab. And then you will be having a brand new page like this. Here, just go and once you're here, click on this option called name and just give a random name. I'll just name my database as LWANXT and I'll just give a random password. Oh, no, I'll just generate a password. Wait, this is sus. Okay, why is this showing? Okay, and once you're done filling up your information here, click on create database. And once you click on create database, you will be finding an option here called PHP MyAdmin. In this table column called management, we'll be seeing an option called PHP MyAdmin. Click on PHP MyAdmin and give it some time. With Kurma, wait, it will load. You call it Sabur, Kurma. Wait with patience, it will load this page. If you can see a page like this, again, raise your hands in the participants list. Okay, okay. Most of you are asking me to show it again. Okay, so I'll send you all the link again. Maybe some of you would have missed. I don't think this link will work for you, but I don't know whether it works. Just go to that link and you will be seeing hosting tools here. No? You will see an option called hosting tools. And in that hosting tools, you have an option here called advanced tools. Under that, you have a thing called database manager. Right click on this database manager and click on open link in new tab. And then you will be getting a page like this with an option called create my SQL database, database name, database password, confirm password. Click on this thing called name and just give a random name. Just give a random name which you like. Just give a random name which you like and enter a password of your own preference. Just enter a password of your own preference and click on create database. Wait, it only allows me to create one database. So click on create database. And once you click on create database, it will load and then you will be able to see an option called an option with the database which you created. 4522296 LW next 452. These things you can see here. Once you see this, you will also be able to see an option called PHP My Admin. Click on PHP My Admin for what we have, and then you will be getting a page like this. Ah, nice. අඩේ more than this house load to go. මේ බලන්න database manager එකට ගිහිල්ලා මේක right click කරලා open link in new tab. මේ form එකේ fill in your information. Fill in some random name, random password and click on create database. Once you click on create, you will be having a new option for your database created here. And once you have successfully created your database, you will be seeing an option called PHP My Admin. Click on PHP My Admin and then it will load you to a page like this. And if you got this page, then raise your hands in the participants list. My initial plan was to finish hosting at around 8:45, but Marshall, it means you have already created a database. Click on the cross icon and you'll be already seeing a database here. You'll be already seeing that you have created one already. If you already created one, don't go and create again. Just click on PHP My Admin and go there. Don't create a new one. If you already have created a database, don't go create one again. Okay, so I might drag the hosting till around 9. Then quiz will take half an hour for sure. And then the final minutes will be to just feedback and final talk. That's all. Uh, at the end of the meeting, remind me to tell you all how to claim your certificates. And yes, for the guys who are watching the recording, don't expect me to give you all the certificate without completing the final project. In the Google form, one of your requirements, main requirement to get the certificate will be to upload the subdomain link with your project. Yes, e-certificate. No, I will additionally dispatch it. No, you can connect, but then, yes, you can connect. Okay, so what about Akif, Alif, Amil, Bihandu? You have come to the session now. You won't understand anything, just go and watch the recording. You can stay here to join the live quiz. Hashane, Marshall, what about you guys? Are you all done? Alif also have joined now. There's no way you can understand things now. Watch the recording. And you can stay here for the live quiz. We'll start it around 9:05 or 9:10 maybe. Okay, Marshall, you already have one. 452 blah 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 underscore Marshall. In that, you can see you have a column called management with a dolphin. Dolphin, I think it's a dolphin only. Click on PHP My Admin there and you'll open your page. Okay, once you're here, go to your exam and click on admin under MySQL. Don't mix up things. Click on admin under MySQL. Why does it take so much time? Okay, so once you open your MySQL PHP MyAdmin, go to your web dev database, click on export, click on export, and press the export button here. Don't need to do anything. Click on export and click the button export here. And then it will download you a file called webdev.sql. Once you download the file called webdev.sql, again raise your hands to the participants list. Make it quick. I'll give you all 15 seconds. We'll have to be fast or get ready to stay until 11. I don't like to drag your classes, but y'all are the guys who are making me drag. I'm planning a lot of things, but y'all only delaying the process. I was in a call. Sorry, I was in a call. Important call. Okay. So once you open this WebDev database, click on export and click the export button here, and you will be downloading a file called webdev.sql. And once you're done with that, most of you have raised your hands that you're done with that. Go to your workspace WebDev. No, Amir, it was my, I don't want to tell it here. It was one of my seniors. It's a senior developer. Don't worry. Okay, and once you're here in this, don't worry, I can't give you a show. I don't think, I'm not sure. Okay, Marshall, you're probably not listening to what I'm telling. If all of the students can do it properly, and I have told it I think three times I told it. Open your local host. Open your damn local host. MySQL admin, open your local host. Let me do it again. Last time, don't ask me to repeat again. Okay. And once you're in this thing called PHP admin local host, we'll be having a thing called web dev here. Click on web dev. Anil. Okay. Click on web dev. Go to export and click on export here. And once you click on export, you'll download a thing called webdev.sql. That's all. I think the reason why I got mad at this because when I told y'all to do, you didn't ask me that out. After I told y'all, I haven't finished the entire call, and after that, you're telling me what to do. If you have any doubts, ask it at the right time because your doubt is wasting others' time also. And now in your PHP my admin of the award space thing, click on import, click on import, and here you will see an option called browse your computer. Exactly, we have exactly. And you'll see an option called choose file. Click on choose file, and then you'll be able to choose your thing called webdev.sql. Choose your SQL file, webdev.sql, and then click on open. And Mokakot Balanatu, don't even bother reading these settings or changing any of them. Click on import. Wait. Wait. Before that, click on this database called 452296. Click on that database. Click on that database, then click on import. Then choose your SQL file. Then click on import. If you all didn't understand this, if you all understood this, continue doing that. I have lowered your hands. Once you're done with that, you can raise your hands. If you didn't understand it, ask right now. If you all didn't understand, then Mahana then. After 4 5 minutes, don't ask the same thing. Didn't export? Again, I'm going previous steps. Click on admin. It will open your folder, the PHP my admin. Click on web dev. Go to export and click on export button here. If you click on this, it won't export. Click on the export button here and it should export your file. If it doesn't export, just spam the button, it will work. Okay, Hashain is done and Nasma is done. It seems like you have got scolded from your mom. Goodbye. Okay, Riha, Bakif done. What about others? I know. Okay, still you can't export it. Is it showing in error messages? It's not showing error messages. Spam the export button like hell. Show all of your anger on that damn little export button. Or maybe go and check your downloads folder. Check your downloads folder and sometimes it will be there. Just check it and see. Or maybe if you are using any pirated download managers, just block those and download properly. Okay, once it's exported, go and import it. Click on your database here. In award space database, click on your database. Click on import, choose file, and choose your database file which you just exported and click on import. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I think others are also done. So let's move to the next part. Now let's go and check our website. I hope all are okay. Ah, no, wait. That's an important step too. In your file manager, go to DBH. Oh no, wait. I'll let you all figure it out. Now you all actually gave a name. Go to your main page, main about space page, and you will see something called domain manager. Open domain manager, and then you will be able to see your domain name here. Click on open website, and then wait. Ah, Click on domain manager and open your website. And actually, if you are seeing that old control panel page, just refresh it. And if you are seeing something like this, quickly raise your hands in the participants list. You have to choose your Marshall, you have to choose the database. You have to click on this database. You can see there's something, you will be having something like this. Click on this database and then click on import. And I quickly, man, you all can't open a subdomain also. You all can just open a website. Quick. Again, if you all want to know how to get your domain name, just go to Award Space main page. Go to the domain manager, right click, open link in new tab, and then scroll down and you will be seeing an option called subdomain. And here you'll be having your thing called lwnxtatwebpages.com. Right click on it, click on open link in new tab. Ah no, you have to click here. Click on open website and then you'll be getting a website like this. Yeah, that was Rehab actually found out there. He's actually going one step ahead and found out there. That was what I wanted to find here. I wanted to fix it. Let me give it to others. Okay, I'll just enter my password. I'll enter my correct password. I'll enter my correct password and I'll click on submit. Why do you all think I get this error? Rehab, you're correct. You're correct, I know. For Rehab, I'll give 100 coins. And for another guy, anyone who answers his question, I'll give you 100 coins. For Rehab, wait, I'll add the coins live. I remember Rehab, I will remember. So, okay, what to do? Okay, wait. Let me check the answers. After Rehab, okay, Akif gave me the correct answer. Okay, after Rehab, it was Akif who gave me the correct answer. So, Hashim, your answer is also correct. Your answer is also correct. But I told I'll be giving only for the first two. So, I have to stick with my policy. So, Rehab Rifki. You have an account? Ne? Rehab Rifki. Date today. Wait, you all can see my screen. Okay, now you'll be able to see. Flash points. Amount 100. Okay, next. Akif Hafiz. Okay, done. Enjoy. Okay, the issue is that we didn't connect the database. Did we connect the database? If you check our dbdata.php, Asma, explain me your error or send me a screenshot. You can see that we have saved our information here, which actually belongs to what? This is our local host's credentials. Nasma, make sure you open your correct subdomain and check. Make sure you open your correct subdomain. It shouldn't show you that error. Give me a minute. I don't think I have. I wanted to show you all something, but, but I don't think I have it. I can't show it to you all now. I wanted to show you all something interesting, but no. Send your question again. Have you uploaded your files, Nasma? Master, it's okay. It's all right. That's all. Nothing to do. That's all. Nasma, try creating another subdomain. Try creating another subdomain. Leave this for now and try creating another subdomain and upload your files in that subdomain and check. Now follow the class. Okay, in here you have something called server name, username, password, and web dev. Okay, first of all, we'll keep our database here. You can see this is our database page. This is our database page. In this database page, we have something called name. Okay, we have something called name. We'll copy our name, go to our code editor, and in this field called DB name, I'll paste it. Okay, now we have something called user. I'll copy this thing called user and I'll paste it in my username. Now we have something called host. I'll select the host and I'll paste it here. Do these three steps soon and raise your hands in the participants list. It's okay. If you don't remember your DB password, you can do something like this. You can go to database option here. You have something here called options. Click on options, click on password, and then here you'll be able to change your password. Marshall, what didn't you understand? Tell me exactly what you didn't understand. I'll repeat it for you. Most probably, I plan to do the live quiz on 9:10 or 9:15. I'll give you all a five, no, 9:15. I'll give you all a 5 minutes break and let's do it after that. Do you all want a break after this? Or shall we directly jump into the quiz? Okay, I'm waiting for the first three replies. Okay, done. First three of them told me don't need break, so no break. Nice. Okay, so two of you have actually changed your thing. And here in this field called password, you can actually paste your password which you created for the database. In this field called password, when you're creating the database, you give a password name, paste it there. I'll give you all 2 minutes to do that. Do it, and if you have any doubts, drop in the chat box. I'll be here now. I gave you more time. Okay. But yeah, after I give you all this much time also, Nasma, why aren't you done? Marshall, why aren't you done? And other two, I think, are there for the quiz. Other three. Most of you are done, but why aren't you three done? Are you facing any issues? Do you all want me to show it again? Ah, okay, Nasma, you do it manually, Nasma. It's okay. After the class, you send me the link of your website. I'll upload it to the showcase. Uploading, Marshall. Okay, upload the files. Ah, okay, okay, change. Through experience. Archive through experience. This is a very little amount of tab. Actually, when my lap stuck a few minutes ago, I closed my other edge window, which I was doing some other work before the class. So I had a meeting, I did some other works before the class. I had full ton of windows open there. I just closed few of them when my lap stuck. You have changed this thing called server name, username, password, and DB name. You can find the DB name here. Your database name, your username is this thing, your server name is this, and your password is the one which you gave for your database. Once you're done with that, click on save, save your file, then go to your uh, domain name again and refresh this error page. Ta-da! Now you'll be able to log in and use your entire website nicely and properly. Okay, once you have hosted your website, send me your website URLs in the chat box. I'll open it here. From up image, you have to click on dbdata.php, open it, and then you have to go to your main page here. Your main page here, and click on database manager, and then here you will be finding your credentials. Use this and replace the values there, and it will be all okay. So once you're done doing that, send me your URLs in the chat box. You have send me okay. If you all are having any issues, send me those in the chat box. Your website URL. Can Rehab send me a screenshot of your login.php. Code what? Yeah, code. What do you want me to repeat, Hashin? Tell me properly. Marshall, change those server name, username, and password and DB name. Okay, Akif is done. Yeah, you have the code. Marshall, you weren't listening to what I was telling a few minutes before. I wanted to tell you to watch the recording, but because you're one of the active students in the class, I'm telling you again. Go and change this thing called server name, username, password, and DB name. Yeah, I'm not telling you to change this. I'm not telling you to change this variables. I'm telling you to change the content inside this inverted commas. Change this information inside the inverted commas. Compare with your database here and change the information here. After editing the dbdata.php, save it and then open your URL. Open your subdomain which you created. Open it. Here you have. Let me check yours. Wait. Let me. You have to erase because you're echoing something before you put the header. Let me check if you have an echo. We have send me a screenshot of your show toast function. Okay, Nasma, fine. With your link which you have created, with your link here, go and access it. Yes. Yes, Marshall, yes. Okay, Rehab. Why is my camera? Okay, Rehab, your issue is that you're actually echoing something before you send the message. Move your show toast below the header. Move your show toast below the header and check if it works. There's a law called you can't echo something before you send a header. You can't echo something. Yeah, that's a PHP thing. Before you send the header, you can't echo something. Or else you can do something like this. Rather than setting the using a small function to do a small thing, you can actually set it manually. Yeah, localhost it will work. Localhost it will perfectly work. That's why you always upload it. I could have actually made this class a quiz only and not made you upload things because I am also wasting my time here. Not wasting, I'm teaching you all something. It's good. I'm also sacrificing my time here to teach you all hosting because a hosting environment and a local host environment is different. Both don't work same. Okay, so remove the echo or just set it directly. I think you have something called session status and type. Just manually set it. Session status equals session type equals. Manually set it or remove the short host thing. Okay. Once you changed it, change your DB name also. Change your DB name also. Your DB name is this thing. Once you're done with that motion, click on save and open your subdomain. Let me check. This is Archive Office. If I'm right, this is Archive's website. I'll create a new account in his website. Okay, this is Archive's website. Make sure you change it to what you like. You're obsessed with Apple products. One of you also is obsessed with Apple products. It will work. You have the DB. If you add the DB details to your VS Code, it will work. But you can't edit with that settings. You can't edit it from VS Code. For that, you have to do something called FTP. Okay, I'll give you all a hint. Now, Architect has done a good job here. He has added new products and made it look nice. I'll give you all a hint. I'll give you a tip. You can make this search box center. You can use Bootstrap to make it look nice. And in the buy now button, in WhatsApp, you'll have function. If you all want to send messages to someone, you can send wa.me and slash your phone number, including the country code. For example, here it's bar.me and 947767708886. And if I click on enter, It will actually take me to my WhatsApp number. If I click on open, it will open my WhatsApp number here. So I can actually implement some kind of a system there. If you are wanting inspiration, this is one of my website which I don't maintain. I did it like months before. I don't remember. You can get an inspiration from this. If you click on buy now button, it will actually take you to a WhatsApp chat with this message. I'm interested in purchasing Vivo Y93 128 GB RAM. Please let me know how I can place this order. Now, if I click on durable water bottles, buy now, it will send a message in WhatsApp call. I'm interested in purchasing durable water bottles. Please let me know how I can place the order. So y'all can implement some system like that, or if y'all are good in PHP, if y'all research and understand, you can create a payment system with bank thing. You can do it easily. Research and learn. Okay, I got only one link. What about others? Okay. Akif, you are the first guy to be uploaded to the showcase. Let me take a screenshot of your website and upload it to my showcase. Okay. No, Akif, if you just enter the same thing in your mobile phone, you can. It will work in a few minutes. Or if wait, Akif, this one. Akif, wait, give you a system for that. Don't request me AI. I'll simply reject your request. Yeah, there's also once you're done, send me a website link in the chat box so I can correct you all and give you all some advice. So and I can publish your website in the system. Let me publish Arkif's one. Arkif, you're done. Okay, let me publish your thing. Project showcase, add new. Arkif Hafiz ne, your name. Date 16th. What's your project name? Is it iShop some? What was it? iWorld. Okay. iWorld e-commerce. Project link, copy link. The guys who are waiting here for the quiz, you all can actually leave. I'll send the link to you all in the group. You all can join from there. Choose file. Okay. Add projects. Rehab, what about you? Actually, Rehab's one he showed me a few days before. It was nice. Others also. What about others? Took it to the Behind the Aken, I think behind the Aken didn't host it yet. Hashane Gallage, Hashane send me a error. Marshall, Nasma Nilar, and Rehab Rifki. Don't spam my chat, I'll remove you from the meeting. I'll just put this guy in the waiting room for some time. Wait. Enjoy. Wait there for some time. Wait there for some time. I'll take you in later. Don't spam my chat. I'll remove you from the meeting directly. Oh, sorry. I just. Yeah, Nasma. If you spam me one shot, I'll put you in the waiting room. No, you won't get it in Google. If you search in Google, you won't get. For that, you have something called SEO. Yes, you have. No, Nasma, I can't access your local host. The thing called local host is actually private for you. Your local host is only for you. You can't share your local host link to someone. Host the link and send it to me tomorrow. I'll upload it. Hashin, check your password. Check your password. Rehab, I think you have used lots of echoes. Rehab, that means you have not uploaded this file. Check whether you have uploaded the file called productsget.php. If you have uploaded that file, it will work. Okay, Arkif's website. Arkif, you can do something like this. I'll send you a link in the chat box. Arkif, I'm sending it to everyone. No, if you make a change in your code, you have to upload that code to your file too. Okay. I've sent you all a link in the chat box. Now, Arkif's project is live here. Arkif, what you can do is, if you want, you can share this link to your family members, this link. And there's an option here to like. Let me give a like to everyone. I'll give a like to all of you. And once I give a like to you, you have received the like here. I'll start. Wait. No, no. It's showing the error is that you don't have the file called db slash productsget.php. Make sure the folder's name is either db or dbh, or find there's some error in that. And Akif, once you're in this page, if you click on view project, then it will take to your website. So you can ask, you also can like your project here. Okay, you have liked, I think. Hashin, send me a screenshot of your db data.php. Shall we do something like this? I'll keep the quiz now at 9:30. Do the quiz until 10. And after 10, I'll give you all time to discuss. Is it okay? To refresh your minds, maybe. What do you all think? Shall I finish the coding part and go to quiz? Oh, quiz එකට ගිහිල්ලා මේකට එමුද තව පාරක්. සත්‍යම නෑ. Hashin, your error is this thing. You're giving your username, I think. Wait, your username is also correct. Okay, Hashin. Check your username. Unwantedly, you have entered a T next to your username. Check your username. Luxury buys T here. Unwantedly, you have a T there. Remove that T and it will work. Okay, Rehab's website is here. This was one of the nicest website. I actually appreciate his hard work here. Nice. Wait, my name. Hmm. I have excused you. That's why I put you in that waiting room because you stay here. My camera is off. Stay in this side and you will feel my chat box is exploding there. You can say I have to scroll down. If I scroll down, only I see the new chats. So when all of you are messaging me together, I need to reply to all messages. If you are spamming me, that means I can read the next guy's message. Send me the link in the chat box. Rehab, nice, nice, very nice, 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 nice. Let me upload Rehab's website also. Vanchita, if you're here for the quiz, leave now. I'll send the quiz link as soon as possible in the group. Once I send the quiz, you can join. Or if you want some knowledge, you can stay here. If you want to see others' website, you can stay here. Okay, Rehab, I'll upload your website now to the showcase. Give me a minute. Rehab, send me your websites. Ah, 36 okay, okay, fine. Let me go to my CMS. Okay, add new. Select user Rehab Rifki. Date 16th. Project name 360.lk. E-commerce. Project link. Yeah, I have hidden my CMS from here. Choose file, image. Okay, upload. Yeah, it's like this. Rehab is actually one of the guys who worked hard for this. He actually spent a lot of time. He did it well. So he has a result. The amount of effort you put into a thing. See, he has a profile also. Just now I noticed it. He has a profile also. Nice. The amount of effort you put in this is how your results will look like. So Rehab, if you refresh the showcase page, now you can officially see your website here. 360.lk e-commerce. Why Rehab Rifki? I'm giving it a like. Okay. Is Akif actually bringing his relatives here? If you all feel that Rehab's website is good or Akif's website is good, or if you feel that the future projects are good, you can actually like them. Support the creators and like them. Okay. Okay, what's next? Whose website is next? Mania. What money? What? Hashens is there. Eh? What about others? Okay, the ones who have sent me the link, raise your hands. And others, just say nice, nice. Luxury account. I like that term. I actually like when you brand simple things. I actually like that thing. Luxury account. It's okay. You have some other spelling here, but it's fine. You are doing two-step verification. Nice. Nice, nice. Nice. I'll give you all a recommendation here for everyone. I saw that you're loading images all at once. Now imagine you have thousands of products in your website. It will crash. It will literally crash the user's screen. Now, if you check my website, learnwithammar.com, the reason why it is speed is I use something called caching. Let me go to the classes page. It loaded like this. I'll go to the recordings page. Loaded like this. You already never see a transition between this. That fast. Now let me open my Touch Tamil page. There will be 10 recordings there. And you will see that before the image loads, I'll see a loader. Did you see that loading something? Something loaded. Did you all see? Yeah. So that's one of the ways I make it, they make the website fast. So I can see my website will be damn fast because I have used lots of caching there. So you also can learn something called caching and do your projects. In this showcase also I have done that. In the showcase, if I refresh the showcase, first it will show you a loading icon, then it will show you the image because it's backend work. Okay. Your one is good to the no, Ashin. Give me a minute to tell. I'll check your WhatsApp. Let me actually set. I'll take a screenshot of your website. What about others I have done? And I told the guys who have sent me the link to submit it to raise your hands in the participants list. Hashin, no. Okay. Go to the CMS. Add new. Hashin Gallage. Hashin Gallage. Date 16th. Project name Luxury Buys. Luxury Buys. E-commerce. Project link. Copy link. Okay. Choose file. Okay. Actually, I saw my CMS name for a moment. Okay, Hashin, your website is added to the showcase. Ta-da! There's a war going here, going on here between these two guys. Okay, Rehab is done, Hashin is done, and Akif is done. All if you're here for the quiz, together you told me to check what's up, ne? No, together you can't log into the website because not because you're using a personal account or something. If you use your proper email address, go to gmail.com, check your proper email address and enter it and register. You'll be getting the email verification. I checked, I saw your steps. You have entered the information correctly, but you have not verified your email address. You're entering a wrong email address there. Okay. This means together you have not uploaded your header.php. Create a new folder called includes, and in that folder, make sure you have header.php. Okay, that's fixed. Okay. To do together, your password is incorrect. Wait, let me check. Do you have the dot in your password? Make it quick. Reply, reply. Do you have the brought in your password? Okay, as you're not replying, I'll move on to the next person. Okay, Marshall, I checked your WhatsApp. It's all okay. Send me your website link. Okay, so for now, only three of you all have sent me the link. Rihab, Hashin, and Akif. Vanjita told me you'll be sending tomorrow. Nasma told me that you will be sending me tomorrow. Marshall, you told me that you're done, but you didn't send me the link. Rihandu Akin, I don't know where you are in the progress. I mean, Tutututu, you're not replying to my chats, or if you are here for the quiz. Okay. So, shall we move on to the quiz? And after the quiz, if you all have any doubts, how to find the answer. Okay. Then let us move on to the quiz. So, if you are ready for the quiz, how to find the correct password? You can go here. You can go to your DB settings and click on options. And then you have a called change password for your database. Click on new password and confirm password and change the password. Once you change the password, enter the same password there. Your password is causing an issue there. And make sure you click on save. DB data, you can save it. Where can I see the account in my web? I can't understand your question. Use proper English. It's here. I'll send you the link. Again, I think you're asking for the showcase link. This is the showcase link. code.learnwithammar.com/showcase. And online recording, guys, if you're done, you can send me the link through WhatsApp. I'll actually add your projects also here. And you can ask your family members or someone to like you. Like your project, not like you. Obviously, I know they don't like you. You can see that in your PHP database table. Okay, things aside, if you're ready for the quiz, drop me a Q in the chat box and I'll start the quiz. Are you not well? Yeah, from last Wednesday, I had a bad headache. Today it's a bit okay, but still it's fine. Okay, I see a lot of quick cues in the chat box. And in this moment, you can spam my chat. Huh? In this moment, you can spam. That's fine. Because I'm telling you to be active. Send me some cues to show me that you're active. Okay, join the quiz soon. Here, together. I'll check your website after the quiz. Okay. Oh wait, I'll check your website now. Once the majority joins the quiz, I'll start the quiz. Oh wait, I didn't send you all the link. I sent it. Okay, from me. Okay. I have sent you all the quiz link in the chat box. Click on that and join. Let me check Together's website now. Nice, nice. You have used dark mode. Nice. Register. My lap is now hell loaded. Email address. Okay, nice. It will load. See, Nasma is here, Alif is here, Bihandu is here, Marshall is here, Vanjula is here. So it will load. No, not exam. Now your web depends, Hashin. Your web depends on your four files which you uploaded. You can you remember you copied and pasted, you dragged and dropped your files to somewhere to a file manager. That's where now your project depends on. Okay, this is nice. Shop. Wait, you have not uploaded this file. So to Tether, you haven't uploaded your shop.php. Yes, Akif told me he has to use JavaScript. And in this cell.php, your starting session start below, I think. Always make sure you session start should be your first line of code after PHP. Session start must be your first line. So correct those errors. Okay, this is nice. You told me I'm making this. No, okay. Nice. Let me take a screenshot of this and upload it. What's your name again? Tutu Tedane. You don't have an account. So how am I supposed to enter your name? Are you here, Tutu Teda? Yeah, if they change the homepage, then let me know again. I'll change it. I'm lazy to code it. I can actually code it. No, I can't enter your name like this. I can only enter your name if you log in. If you have an account in my system only, then I can enter your name. Let me check. Tutu Teda. Okay, I have your name. Tutu Teda Tisara. 16th. Project name. Send me your link again. Okay, I have it here. Copy link. Your project name is Dr. Stone. Dr. Stowe. Am I correct? Your name is Dr. Stowe. E-commerce and project. Okay, Mr. Tututeta Tisara. You can see your project in the showcase. Now, in the showcase, you can see your project here. Dr. Stowe e-commerce website. Tututeta Tisara. I'll give you a like. Maybe 666. All are equal. Shall I unlike someone to give a lead? Unlike Rehab, shall I unlike him? What do you all think? Okay, shall I start the quiz? Yeah, six is lucky. Send this link to your family members and ask them to like it. Tonight I'll check who's the highest and let me post on Instagram or somewhere. Let's see. I know. Rehab, that's one of the purposes. You know. Okay, let me start the quiz. Such an easy question. Ade, no one can beat Rehab. Last quiz also I can remember Rehab only got the first. I want any one of you all to pass him, okay? Next question. But otherwise, that's motivating them. Alif and Nasma. I'm seeing that you both are not answering a day. Okay. Alif and Nasma, you both haven't answered the question. Even if you don't know the answer, actually, we can give it a try. Even if you don't know the correct answer, give it a try. It's just like clicking a button. It won't cost you any money. Next question. And if I feel the given time is too much, I'll skip the time. Okay. Nasma and Manjuda. Okay, no change in the leaderboard. Next question. We have, I don't understand your question. Ah, option, yeah. Let me check what answers you all have given. Akif has come into the top three. Okay. Who will be able to see your web page if it is posted on the internet? Just now I told you all can send this link, showcase link to your family members, anyone, and just tell them to like your project. That means your website is accessible by anyone on internet. So three of you have chosen almost everyone. That means some of them can't see you. Nice. One third of the world's population. This is a Sigma guy. I expected some of you all to answer this option called my mom. Good. Next question. Nice, nice. I don't care. Done. Next question. Next question. I'm showing the question now. Couldn't you all see the question? Shane has come to the top. We have to the second. Okay, I'll restart this question again. Okay, now I think you all can see. Uh, it's showing error for you all. Check again. Can you all see the question? Okay, let me do something like this. For the next question, I'll give a next question. If it doesn't show up, I'll reduce some questions from the current quiz and I'll restart the quiz. Okay. Next question. Just check if you all can see this question. Okay. Okay. Let's check it about. Okay. I think that's because of the error. Next question. Okay. Marshall and Tuptita has come to the top. Next question. Okay. Yes, still. Nasma has come to the top finally. Next question. Okay, let's do something like this. Since there's only a little time left, I'll do something like this. For easy questions, I'll give you all 10 seconds. For a little bit of medium hard questions, I'll give you all 20 seconds. And for the questions which require time to read and understand, I'll give you 30 seconds. Okay? Okay, 10 seconds. I'll give you another tip. If you all want to get top in the leaderboard, answer the question fast and correct. Next question. 15 seconds given. Next question. 10 seconds. So now your objective is not only to find the correct answer, but to do it fast. Okay. Next question. 'Okay, that was an easy question, but I gave out 15 seconds. Okay, to the top three. Next question. Marshall to the top three. Next question. 10 seconds is enough for that. Next question. Okay, still same. Not interesting. Next question. Next question. Okay, Hashin to the third. Next question. Next question. That was a damn easy question. Semicolon. Okay, Hashin to the second and Akif to the fourth. Improvement. Next question. Next question. Next question. Next question. We gave all the entire time because it was a thinking question. Okay, Akif and Hashin to the second and third. Next question. Next question. Next question. Next question. We have is on damn lead. Next question. This question, let me check how much of y'all got it right first. Okay, six of y'all got it right. Can the six of y'all quickly tell me in the chat box whether it was for luck or you knew it and how you knew it? The six of y'all. Exactly. How much times every class start के हम क्या करते हैं एग्जाम मॉड्यूल देखा स्टार्ट करने गेला स्टार्ट करने కూడా చుట్టక్కరి వెంటనే బెరల తిప్పన కోడ్స్ MySQL 3306 లెక్కది నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ కంటిన్యూ రైట్ think the question is error this one uh, next question uh, that's not required here. Next question. Easy question. Next question. Easy again. Let me hide the leaderboard for the last few questions. I'll give you the DJ time for easy questions. Next question. Next question. Next question. Next question. Okay, it's time to see the leaderboards. Well, actually, sorry. Okay, so in the first place, we have Rifki. Second place, we have the Desert. Third place, we have Hashim. Congratulations to all three of you. Nice. The last quiz, we have Rifki first, to the second, Hashim third, Akif fourth, Marshall fifth, Nasma sixth, Bihandu seventh, Alif eighth, Manjuda ninth, Dark Phoenix tenth, and these are just fake names. Okay, so how was the quiz? Yeah, long. I made it long because the last quiz, no, some of you wanted me to do quiz every week. So 4 weeks I didn't do the quiz. Altogether 10, 10, 10, 40. Okay, so did anyone of you make your website in that gap or something? I know you can't make it. If you all have made the website, then do send me the link in the chat box, and you can let's say okay. Rank Balanda 777. See this 777 and 5. Send it to your friends list, man. Let's see. Let's see who can get. Now tomorrow morning I'll check. Yeah, now lucky 7. Tomorrow morning I'll check. Balance. Okay, Nasma has to send me. Manjuda has to send me. And the others who are watching the recording has to send me. Yeah, you can do. Okay. As this is the last session. Okay, Nasma, perfectly fine. All the best and congratulations. Yeah, perfect. Okay. As this is the last meeting and the last time we are gonna probably meet. I'll tell you closing what you all can do. First of all, the website which I have made currently is a basic normal website. I know some of you guys who joined this course initially didn't know what an HTML language is. I personally know the some of the students didn't know what HTML is. There were a lot of students in the beginning. Some of them couldn't manage the workload, couldn't cope up with the work. If you don't want to work, if you don't want to sacrifice your time, then you're not right for this kind of IT courses. So glad that you guys were there till the end. Thank you for that. And what I can do currently, focus on improving your website. If you all face any doubts, it's okay. You can ask me in WhatsApp. I'll take time to reply. You know, my WhatsApp is loaded every time. I take time to reply. If I don't reply within 2, 3 days, then you can just drop me a reminder. I'll try to get back to you. If you all have any doubts, you all can ask me in WhatsApp after this course because this is the last time we're gonna meet. And if you all have any feedback, you all can drop them to me in WhatsApp regarding this course on how it was and what you learned, what was your level before joining this course, and how you have improved after joining this course. Akif, you have asked a question. Can you show how to see the users registered in my web page? Okay, to see the users registered in your website, simply have to go to this page, your page where you have the database. Click on PHP My Admin. Once you click on PHP My Admin, click on your database and click on the user table. And here you will be seeing the user. And Rehab, you told me that some guy hacked my website. Gala. I fixed it like this. And I didn't even protect it, man. Try hacking my learn with Ammaar, will you? I challenge you. I can actually do something for. I'll actually tell something like this to you all. Actually, your websites are there now. I can make a system where if you log in from Learn with Amar, it will make to log in from your system. Okay, I can do something like that. It's called post and cross scripting protection. You'll learn that from somewhere research. The first main thing is I noticed some of you all send me the codes in WhatsApp. I 100% know it is from AI. Okay, some of you all sent me. There was 3 or 4 students who sent me the error messages that they are facing the error messages. මම මේක බැලුවා. Okay. මම මේක දැම්මේ මේක error message medium level කියලා දැම්මා. They have tried කියලා. Most of them sent me their error messages in WhatsApp. All same වගේ. එකම logic එක. Logic is one. They are using one same logic. All of them, maybe they are from different places in the country, using the same logic, same system. I asked one question from all of them. What change did you make? Explain me. One guy out of that, one guy answered me what change he has done and what he has understood from that code. That guy, I personally appreciate him. I know he's here. I know that guy is here. I personally appreciate him. Okay. I don't know whether you used AI or anything. You can use AI. As I told last week, use AI. But when you copy the code, learn from it. Learn from it. Learn. Learn the code and then copy and paste it. Rather than just copying and pasting it, learn the code which is happening, learn what is happening, and then implement in your website. So using AI is fine, but make sure you research. For example, let's say I want to make my search work. How to implement a search system for my website. I'll search it like this. Okay, how to add a full text search to your website? Stack Overflow. This is one of the best websites I refer. How do I implement a search functionality in your website? Just go and search, open here, spend some of your time, read, get the experience of the users. If you see a tick mark, that means it's working for most of them. So try to learn like that and implement and create your websites. And you all can contact me in WhatsApp and keep me in touch. Okay, 7888. I don't know. I can you all like it more than once? I don't think you all. I made it such that you only can like it once. Oh, yeah, you can like it only once. Let me add a system where you can check the likes. Who has liked your websites here? No. The error scene is only for those guys whom I asked to upload, whom I asked the error.php. If I asked you all to send the error message.php, that means I felt sus on your code and that you don't know the code. Future courses. For now, for around 6 months. March, then April, I'm on vacation. Maybe from next May, I'll start teaching again. Stay tuned with Islam with Ammaar website. We have our Instagram page and everything. Just leave an eye on that. Or if I have saved your number in my contacts, then you can look at my status. Sus means like suspicious. Okay, so as this is the last class, I'll let you all unmute your mic. Don't worry, I'll cut this part in the recording if it is worst. I have let you all unmute your mic. If you all want, you all can speak, okay? Bye bye. If you all want, you all can on the video also. Last meeting, if you all want, you all can on your video. If you all want, you can unmute your mic. I'm giving you all the freedom for last few minutes. Let me stop my sharing. Okay, wait, let it be. No audio available. You can't hear me. Marshall, I told you, you can do something like this. Look at my website, collaborix.web.lk. He's asking me how to add that buy now thing. So this is one of my old websites. Just don't, just burst, okay? Don't look at this. I don't maintain it, okay? If you click on buy now, it takes me to a WhatsApp link here. Go and search how you can do this. Search and learn. Okay, nice seeing your faces. Let me turn it to gallery mode. Yeah, if you want, you can. I'm gonna take a photo. I'll keep it as a memory. This is my actually second batch. Previously, yeah. Yeah, payment method, you can search for something, search it in Google and learn it. It's there. You have to use a couple of APIs and stuff, but you can. Okay, someone take a photo of this. Also, thumbs up. Perfect. No, not yet. So if you want, you all can stay here or others can leave. If you all want, you all can stay, others can leave. Drop me a feedback in WhatsApp. Much appreciable. Bye bye. Oh, bye bye. What problem? Good night. Bye bye. Yeah. I'm sorry for that. Just ask some of your friends, send it in the group, and ask some of your friends to follow. Please stop the recording. Online, guys. Recording, guys. Bye. And the certificate. Stay tuned in the next gen group. I'll drop a form. You'll have to fill that form, and then you all will get your certificate within a month. Okay. I'll stop the recording from here.